speaking of someone who can really dance now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, direct from a long engagement at Fat Boy's Restaurant at 40 Washington Street in West Orange, let's have a nice Uncle Floyd show welcome for that dancing star of the hour, Bob the Bird, right here. Wonderful. It's so nice to have you back. You know, you were held over.
I know
Yeah.
it.
This is the first time in the history of our show we have ever been so impressed with a talent and an act that we've had it here 2 shows in a row.
I'm honored. Indeed.
You look honored. Now, can you teach that dance to Looney Skip Rooney? Looney Skip Rooney is a great dancer. He loves to dance. Skip, come on up. I'll play the chicken song again, okay?
Why can't you be more like him?
Hey, cut that out! No, don't do any of that mouse stuff. You
What
see
mouse?
what he's doing? He's doing a mouse dance.
Well, chicken like mice. What do you want from me? I didn't know.
Well, we want to thank you anyway for coming by. Bob the Bird from Fat Boy's Restaurant in West Orange. Thanks. Go make yourself at home and you can relax.
Why can't you be more like him? Well, I tell you, Floyd, I don't believe it, Floyd. Everything happens to me. My apartment got robbed again last night.
Oh, that's terrible, Skip.
Hey, you better believe it. I mean, I didn't mind it when they took my black and white television set. I didn't mind it when they took the portable television set. And I didn't mind it when they took the color TV set. But when they changed the address on my TV guide, that's going too far. I'm not putting up with that.
There he goes. Hey!
It's the music again.
You know they got the music. They did it. Get out of there. Don't ever do that dance, that Soupy Shuffle, you know? Then people are going to write to me and saying I'm ripping off Soupy. And it's you all these years.
There's only one thing I have to say about people saying that we're so much like Soupy Sales.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay. Now listen, who's that?
Snake in the grass.
Watch this.
Go ahead.
I'm a snake charmer.
You're a snake
You take
harmer.
off your hat, looks like we're ripping off Bozo.
Oh!